One common mistake with OKRs is trying to use them to capture everything that's happening within an organization. John likes to remind, OKRs are not the sum of all tasks. Objectives describe what needs to be done different, what needs to change, not business as usual. Everyone within an organization is going to have their daily tasks and these larger objectives that are trying to shape what's happening within your team and group. And of course, objectives are going to affect those tasks, but they're not the same thing and they don't need to be. Tasks and OKRs live together. In fact, OKRs can work alongside the processes you have in place. For example, Allbirds uses OKRs, but they also have this concept of the breathe list, which is used to track everything that needs to get done to keep their organization running. But they also commit to OKRs every quarter, so they can align their teams toward the high priority activities that get them closer towards their mission. A second mistake that new teams make is that they call their KPIs their OKRs. KPIs are their key performance indicators. It's understandable, but it's not the best practice because there are some key differences between them. Key performance indicators are the many measures that your team is tracking, everything from uptime to customer service to quality. But the important part about OKRs is picking the KPIs that matter, especially in the quarter ahead, that track to the changes that you're trying to accomplish. So remember, KPIs are good. You want to have them, but not all of them need to be folded into your OKRs. Here's a good litmus test to use to get a sense of if your tasks are working against your OKRs. The next time you start your staff meeting, notice if you're starting and leading with your OKRs or something else. If you're leading with your KPIs or focusing on other measures, well, maybe those need to be made your OKRs. Or if at the next staff meeting that you run, you just completely skip your OKRs completely, well, maybe you set the wrong objectives for the quarter ahead. So now really gut check your list. Is it business as usual, or does it truly capture the things you want to change in your organization? Because next up, we're going to refine these even more and get to some objectives we can lock into, and then we'll jump into key results.